So here at Extensys, we subscribe to a 3-tiered delivery model. And this provides for a consistent product every time that we deliver a particular solution to our customers. Its model is designed to be very collaborative and transparent, but more importantly, it absolutely makes sure that we're meeting our customers' requirements. So the first phase of this model is the discovery phase. And this is where we're really going to look at your business requirements. We want to make sure we understand them and define them appropriately so that we can develop a plan to make sure that we meet those business requirements. This is the time where we're actually going to look at the environment as it is today, right? Do some as-is diagrams, make sure that everybody understands exactly what we're dealing with. And then ultimately in this phase, we're going to develop what we call the project approach. And this is where we're really looking for and going to explain to our customers, hey, this is how we see this happening. This is how we're going to, at a very high level at this point, but this is how we're going to approach getting this project completed. Once the discovery phase is completed, we move into the planning and design phase. And this is really the details, right? This is going to be where we're going to get in and develop a project plan. So you understand all the gates, you understand everything that we're going to do when we're going to do it. We're going to make sure that we're adhering to your change management process because we don't want to impact you negatively, right? We want to make sure production comes down when production can be down and not impact you negatively. And at this point, we're going to draft what we call the to-build documents. That is the diagrams. That's what the solution or the environment's going to look like once we execute. And once this phase is done and it's signed off on and the customer agrees that yes, this is exactly what we want, you're meeting my requirements, then we move into the execution phase. And in this phase is where we're absolutely going to execute the project, right? We're going to make sure what we just said we were going to do, we do. We're going to follow that design, and granted it's a detailed design, so we're going to follow it step by step. We're going to make sure we execute it to your requirements. During this phase, we're going to do the as-built diagrams, right? So now we know exactly what the environment looks like as we've implemented it. And then the most important part of the execution phase is the knowledge transfer, because we want to make sure that you understand how to use what you bought. We're not just trying to install it and leave, and we're going to go into that knowledge transfer. And by doing this process and following these 3 phases, we ensure consistent delivery and absolutely meet customer requirements each and every time.